I found you on 10 Okay.
Hey Facebook friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here, and my sidekick. What's your name?
Mr. Smarts.
Mr. Smarts today, that's his name. We wanted to just jump on and share our creative time with you today. We are doing dot painting or dot drawing, whatever you want to call it. And this is, whoops, did you shut that? We're working with Sharpies, so we got to make sure we close the lid. Hold on. This is what Jordan's doing, dot painting. And we started out, just going to let you know what we got going on. He got his favorite insect book, found a picture that he liked. You can also do this with photographs, like your favorite photo of your family or whatnot. And we took the picture he found of, what is this?
A butterfly?
A butterfly.
I wanted to do a giant water bug, but she wouldn't let me.
Well, that's because it didn't have enough color for what we were doing. So we copied it on the printer, and
we're gonna have to
so we're getting there, bud. We made a copy of it, and what he's doing is tracing it with using only dots, and so it's really a cool effect and lots of fun. We're using Sharpie markers because that's what we had. Crayola markers would work, any markers. You could do it with crayons, that would be cute as well. But we didn't have thin tracing paper. So what we did, we're just using regular copy paper, and we made a rudimentary light box to help us trace our over. So what we did, watch your face, bud.
Oof.
I'm gonna move this. We took a cardboard box, pick the light up.
Okay.
And I don't know, this is a ramen noodle box, a pack of 12. I know, it's an old box because you can't find ramen now. And we cut it in half and taped the corners. And then we had this light in our closet, and we put that inside of it, and then we got to turn it on, Bub. We got a clear pan from the kitchen and fashioned a light box. So now we put our picture over it, and then our tracing paper or copy paper over that, and we just put the image over the light. And so he's able to see it and use his markers to dot in his image with the color of his choice. So that's what we're doing today for creative time. We just used what we had in the house to make this light box, and so he is having fun. He did this, like I said, with a picture out of his favorite book, but you could certainly use a family photo or any other sketch or drawing that you have at home, and it's just fun. He's changing up the colors on the butterfly because we didn't have the exact colors. Like I said, we scrounged for markers. So this is something easy and fun that you guys can do at home as well. You getting it? I like the green. It's pretty. Anyway, we'll post a picture of the finished product. We're not going to be on here long. We just wanted to share this with you and hope it inspires you to do something creative today as well. So until we see you again, happy crafting, guys. Bye.